How to add location to TikTok video. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can add location to your TikTok video. Once you have opened your TikTok app, you have to go for the plus icon to add a new video here. So we go for the plus icon here. So you can also record a video here. Also you can upload your video from your device. Go for the next option. After that, here you also have to go for the next option here. And on the more option, if you see any of the location here, then you have to add a location here. Also you can hashtag and go for the mention option on your device on your TikTok. So here you can see that there is no any option of location here. Also if you go for the more option, there is no any option. So you have to go back and go to your mobile setting here. Once you are on your mobile setting, you have to go for your manage app option here. So go for the manage app. On the manage app, you have to search for the TikTok. Once you are on your TikTok here, you have to go for your app permission here. So on your location, you have to go for the allow only while using the app. So you have to turn on your location permission on your TikTok app. So after that, you have to go for your Play Store and search for the TikTok here if there is any update available. And then you have to update up your app and go for the open option and you have to add a video here. Once you have added the video, you have to go for the next option. Then you can find the location on your TikTok video. So the location is not available in some of the region of your TikTok. So it is not available on my region. If I go for the more option also, if this is available on your region, you can add the location to your TikTok video. So also you can add the location hashtag virtual from here. So with the help of this simple step, you can add location to your TikTok video. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.